This webinar will be covering Aspects Rejects Entry. Let us begin. For this lesson, the look and feel may differ slightly from the actual tablets, the functions remain the same. Reject reasons can be added via the tablets. This screen is useful for at machine packing, where each reject needs to be identified and accounted for during production or packaging. To enter a reject, we select Reject Update from the top menu bar, then we select either the positive number or negative number at the bottom. We then click on the relevant reject reason above this. Each click will increase or decrease the number of rejects for the chosen reject reason by the amount selected at the bottom. A short time delay will update and log the reason against the job. If for some reason we need to cancel the entry, pressing Cancel before the update has taken place will cancel the entry. If bulk reject entry is required, right-clicking on the Reason button will enable a pop-up screen where we can type in a quantity of rejects. Where rejects are manually entered during the course of a job, the system will deduct the number of rejects from the reconciliation figure as entries are made. If more counted yield is entered after the end of the job, an adjustment will be automatically calculated. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.